But Callum, I'd love to learn a little bit about the journey you've been on with the Veblen Director Programme.
Yeah, look, it's been fascinating for me too. I think it's far exceeded any of my kind of expectations about what was possible, and just I think like yourself from your interviews, it's so inspiring seeing great people that are doing really cool things, but not they haven't yet figured out how to package it in a way that they can add
Mm,
value to boards. And then uh, they come in and we set this up as a 1 year for people to take a year to kind of get their first board seat and then hopefully stay in the community, because you're constantly facing new challenges as a board director. Um, but I think the biggest shock for me is how quickly people are using the content, refining their message, and then going out and just getting amazing results.